Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove ad from Amazon Fire TV or tablet. First, understand one thing. Amazon Fire tablet comes with lock screen ad, also called special offer. This ad can be removed, but there may be a small fee. For that, first turn on the Fire tablet and make sure it's connected to the internet. Next, open the setting on the tablet. If you find settings, swipe down from the top right of the screen and tap on the gear icon. Inside the setting, look for the application and notification or device option depending on your tablet model. Now look for the special offer or lock screen ad. Tap on it, you will see option that says remove special offers. Amazon may show you message explaining that removing ad requires a one-time payment. If you agree, pay now or confirm. You may be asked to sign in to your Amazon account or enter your password to complete the payment. Once the payment is successful, the ad will remove automatically. Now look your screen and turn it back on. You should see a normal lock screen without ad. If you don't see the change right away, restart your tablet and check again, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.